Could this be the moment XRP finally shakes off the SEC's grip for good? Despite the looming threat of an SEC appeal, XRP is standing its ground, holding strong above the crucial 52-cent support level. Some analysts are now saying the SEC appeal doesn't even matter anymore for XRP's price. So, is the market finally free of regulatory fear, or are we in for more turbulence ahead? Stick around, because, in this video, we'll break down why XRP's price seems immune to the SEC's efforts, what top analysts are predicting for its future, and whether you should be preparing for a massive breakout or another correction. Stay tuned because you won't want to miss what could be the most pivotal moment in XRP's history. Hello, fellas watching from around the world. Welcome back to another episode of Zaki Crypto Update, your go-to source for all things crypto. Whether you're new to the world of cryptocurrency or a seasoned trader, this channel is dedicated to bringing you the latest news, insights, and analysis to keep you informed and ahead of the game. Today, we've got a massive update for you that could change the way you look at XRP. We're diving deep into the SEC's upcoming appeal in the Ripple lawsuit and why top analysts are saying it might not matter for XRP's price anymore. I'll be breaking down the facts, expert opinions, and what this means for your XRP investments moving forward. By the end of this video, you'll have a much clearer understanding of why XRP seems to be shaking off the regulatory burden it's carried for years. We're talking about why the SEC's appeal is losing its influence on the market, how XRP is holding strong against all odds, and some explosive price predictions that could mean huge profits for investors. If you're looking to maximize your gains or simply want to stay informed, make sure to watch this video to the end. Now, let's get into the details. XRP has been the center of attention for quite some time now, and for good reason. Its ongoing legal battle with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has placed it under a microscope, but somehow, XRP continues to demonstrate resilience in ways many didn't expect. Let's take a moment to recap the situation. On October 3, 2024, the SEC announced its intention to appeal the ruling handed down by Judge Analysts Torres in the Ripple vs. SEC case. For those unfamiliar, this legal battle started back in 2020 when the SEC filed a lawsuit against Ripple Labs, claiming that XRP should be classified as a security. This legal struggle has been ongoing, causing considerable market turmoil for XRP holders. Initially, the SEC's actions sent waves of fear through the market. Every legal development seemed to have an immediate effect on XRP's price, often causing it to drop substantially. But something has shifted. When the SEC filed its notice of appeal, many expected a similar price reaction to past events. However, after an initial dip of about 10%, XRP quickly stabilized and has since held above the 52-cent mark. This is significant because, historically, legal actions from regulatory bodies like the SEC would send shockwaves through the market. In this case, though, XRP has shown an unusual level of strength and stability, despite the looming uncertainty. One of the most interesting aspects of this latest development is the shift in market sentiment. XRP has not only recovered from the initial dip caused by the SEC's appeal but has continued to maintain its value, suggesting that the market is no longer as influenced by the SEC's legal maneuvers as it once was. So, what's different this time around? According to a prominent XRP enthusiast and crypto influencer, the SEC's ability to impact XRP's price performance has diminished significantly. In a tweet, he highlighted that despite the SEC's looming appeal, XRP has grown by 1 cent month over month. While this may seem like a small increment, it's a crucial indicator of market sentiment. In the past, even the slightest move by the SEC would send XRP spiraling. The fact that the token is showing positive growth, even in the face of regulatory uncertainty, is a powerful signal that the market may finally be moving past the SEC's shadow. But Moon Lambo isn't the only one with this view. Many other analysts and market watchers are coming to the same conclusion, that XRP has matured as an asset, and the market no longer reacts with the same level of fear as it once did. Investors are starting to focus more on XRP's underlying utility, its growing list of real-world use cases, and the strength of its community rather than the ongoing legal drama. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse has been vocal about his thoughts on the SEC lawsuit. From the beginning, Garlinghouse has maintained that the SEC's case is fundamentally flawed. He believes that XRP is not a security and that the lawsuit is more of an attempt to stifle innovation than a legitimate legal concern. Garlinghouse's confidence seems to be resonating with the market. In recent interviews, he's pointed out that Ripple continues to expand its business globally, forging partnerships with financial institutions, payment providers, and central banks. These partnerships are crucial because they demonstrate that Ripple's technology, and by extension XRP, has real-world value beyond speculative trading. As the Ripple ecosystem grows, so too does the demand for XRP. This increasing demand is another reason why the SEC's actions are having less of an impact on XRP's price. Investors are starting to realize that regardless of the outcome of the SEC case, Ripple's technology and XRP's utility will continue to drive its long-term value. Now, let's talk about the SEC's upcoming appeal. The SEC has filed a notice with the Second Circuit of the U.S. Appeals Court, signaling its intent to challenge Judge Torres' ruling from August 7, 2024. For those who may not remember, this ruling was a major win for Ripple, as the court found that XRP was not a security when sold to the general public. The SEC, of course, disagrees with this decision and is hoping to overturn the ruling. However, many analysts believe the appeal is unlikely to succeed. Even if the SEC does manage to get the ruling overturned, it's unclear how much it would impact XRP at this point. An analyst, Dr. Magic, recently took to X, formerly Twitter, to express his thoughts on the situation. According to him, the SEC's appeal has failed to create the level of fear and uncertainty that would typically cause a massive price drop. Despite the initial FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt, XRP has held above its key 52-cent support level. He went on to say that the market appears to be brushing off the SEC's actions as irrelevant, at least for the time being. This begs the question, does the SEC's appeal even matter anymore? It seems that the market is increasingly answering no. Investors are starting to look past the SEC's legal maneuvers and are instead focusing on XRP's real-world potential. As Ripple continues to build its global payment network, XRP's utility as a bridge currency becomes more apparent. This growing utility could very well be the reason why XRP's price is staying strong, even in the face of ongoing regulatory challenges. With XRP holding steady above 52 cents, what can we expect next? There are a few different schools of thought on where XRP's price could be headed. Let's break down some of the most prominent predictions. One of the most well-known analysts in the crypto space has suggested that XRP will likely consolidate between 43 cents and 67 cents for the foreseeable future. According to him, XRP's price is currently tied to the broader market, and until Bitcoin breaks into a new price discovery phase, XRP will continue to move within this range. Charting Guy's prediction is based on technical analysis, which shows that XRP has strong support at 52 cents but will likely face resistance at around 67 cents. If Bitcoin starts rallying again, it could lift XRP and other altcoins along with it. However, until that happens, we're likely to see more sideways trading. On the other hand, market speculator Bobby A has a much more bullish outlook on XRP. He believes that XRP is gearing up for a massive breakout, similar to what we saw in 2020. For those who remember, XRP surged over 1,700% in 2020, despite the SEC filing its lawsuit against Ripple. Bobby A points out that historically, XRP has shown the ability to defy market expectations, and he expects it to do so again. His prediction? A potential surge of 800%, bringing XRP's price up to around $4.23. This would represent a significant return for anyone holding XRP at its current price. While Bobby A's prediction is certainly optimistic, it's not without precedent. XRP has proven time and time again that it can make dramatic moves in a short period, especially when market conditions are favorable. Bobby's prediction is largely based on the idea that XRP could repeat its 2020 performance. But is this realistic? To answer this question, we need to take a closer look at what happened in 2020. At that time, the SEC had just filed its lawsuit against Ripple, and the crypto market was entering a new bull phase. Despite the uncertainty surrounding the lawsuit, XRP surged in value, eventually reaching a high of around $1.96. This surge was driven by a few key factors. First, the overall crypto market was in a bull run, with Bitcoin leading the charge. Second, XRP had just been listed on several new exchanges, increasing its liquidity and accessibility. Third, many investors were speculating that Ripple would eventually win its case against the SEC, which created a sense of optimism around XRP. Fast forward to 2024, and we find ourselves in a similar situation. The crypto market is showing signs of recovery after a long bear market. XRP is continuing to gain adoption through Ripple's partnerships, and there is renewed optimism about Ripple's chances of defeating the SEC in court. If these factors continue to play out, it's entirely possible that XRP could see another massive price surge. However, it's important to note that the market is different now than it was in 2020. Regulatory scrutiny has increased, and the macroeconomic environment is more uncertain. As a result, any potential price surge is likely to be more measured than what we saw in 2020. One of the reasons why XRP has been able to weather the storm of regulatory uncertainty is its growing list of real-world use cases. While many cryptocurrencies are still primarily used for speculation, XRP has carved out a niche as a bridge currency for cross-border payments. Ripple's on-demand liquidity (ODL) platform, which uses XRP to facilitate instant cross-border payments, has been gaining traction with financial institutions around the world. This growing adoption is a key reason why XRP's price has remained stable, even in the face of regulatory challenges. Ripple's partnerships with companies like SBI Holdings, Santander, and MoneyGram have demonstrated the real-world value of its technology. As more institutions begin to use XRP for cross-border payments, demand for the token is likely to increase, which could drive its price higher in the long term. It's also important to consider the broader crypto market when analyzing XRP's price movements. Historically, XRP has followed Bitcoin's lead, meaning that when Bitcoin rallies, XRP tends to follow. However, XRP has also shown the ability to decouple from Bitcoin during key moments, particularly when there is a major development in the Ripple versus SEC case. As of now, the broader crypto market is in a state of recovery. Bitcoin has been consolidating between $25,000 and $30,000 for several months, and many analysts believe that it's only a matter of time before it breaks out into a new bull market. If Bitcoin does enter a new bull phase, we could see XRP benefit from the overall market optimism. However, it's worth noting that XRP has its own unique set of factors that could influence its price, including the outcome of the SEC appeal and the continued adoption of Ripple's ODL platform. So, with all this information in mind, should you consider buying XRP now? And remember, none of this is financial advice. There are a few key factors to consider. First, XRP's price is currently sitting at a key support level of 52 cents. If this support holds, we could see a bounce back to the 67 cents resistance level shortly. However, if the support fails, we could see a retest of the 43 cents level. Second, the outcome of the SEC appeal could have a significant impact on XRP's price. While many analysts believe the appeal is unlikely to succeed, there is still a chance that it could create short-term volatility. Finally, it's important to consider XRP's long-term potential. With Ripple continuing to expand its global payment network and XRP's utility as a bridge currency growing, there is a strong case for long-term bullishness on XRP. However, as with any investment, it's crucial to do your own research and consider your risk tolerance before making a decision. In conclusion, XRP is at a critical juncture. Despite the ongoing legal battle with the SEC, the market seems to be moving past the regulatory fear that once plagued XRP. With strong support at 52 cents and growing adoption of Ripple's technology, there are plenty of reasons to be optimistic about XRP's future. That being said, there are still risks to consider, including the outcome of the SEC appeal and the broader macroeconomic environment. However, if XRP can continue to hold its ground and the crypto market enters a new bull phase, we could see some explosive price action in the coming months. Whether you're a long-time holder or someone considering entering the market, now is a crucial time to keep a close eye on XRP. The next few weeks and months could be pivotal for its future. That's it for today's video, fellas. If you found this update helpful and informative, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts on XRP's future. Are you bullish, bearish, or just waiting to see what happens next? Also, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the Zaki Crypto Update channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We've got a lot more exciting content coming your way, and you won't want to miss it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for joining me for this deep dive into XRP's price movements and the ongoing legal battle with the SEC. Your support is what keeps this channel going, so I truly appreciate each and every one of you who takes the time to like, comment, and subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out some of our other content where we cover more updates on XRP, Bitcoin, and other altcoins. Until next time, take care, and stay informed.